All right, guys. Hello, everybody. Today was an amazing trading day. We want to just go over that. So I had traded Tesla and JP Morgan Chase. So the earnings season is starting, and the banks usually are the leading companies that start reporting the season. So today we had a lot of banks like Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, BlackRock. It's a big hedge fund, and these ones are they were all reporting before the market open. And then we had the obviously top ships, and some of them the top ship is a small company. So there was Citigroup, BlackRock, the PNC Financial. So these are all big companies, Wells Fargo. And then we're going to have next week, we're going to have really starting a new better companies like Tesla is on Wednesday. We're going to have some fun trading Morgan Stanley's on Wednesday as well. So Netflix, we have Interactive Brokers, and a lot of companies are starting in their earnings season. So that will be very interesting to see how it goes. So Tesla has been in play. So sold off, came back up, did a very nice small ABCD pattern. And essentially became also a 5-minute opening range breakup. I went long. We saw a very, very big ask on that. So I took the screenshot, partial out, partial this, and then I eventually got out of it at the break even here with a little bit of a mistake on this. So what was the level 2 signal? Let's take a look at it. Here is the level 2 that we saw on Tesla. So Tesla, the moment that I went long here, we saw a very, very huge ask at 185. So we went really heavy on that. So that this screenshot was just right after my entry. I saw that huge ask for the break of that. And as you see, we actually got that very, very beautiful move on that. So again, the very big ask is a very bullish sign. So a lot of people will say, isn't it a big seller? Yes, it's a big seller, but it's very counterintuitive because this guy is confident that the price is going to go up. That's why he's asking and demanding higher and higher and higher. If he was desperate, he would have hit the beat, all of it here, and then the price would have gone down. So that's how you trade based on the price action. This is the price action, so the chart pattern, ABCD pattern, and that's come with the level 2 would be very, very powerful signal. So as you see, this is what we did here. So that's Tesla. So very nice from 184.75 all the way up to 186.25. So that was very profitable. That's one of the trades that I did on Tesla. So it was very, very nice, profitable. Now we're going to go to the JPM, JP Morgan Chase. Well, that one was also very interesting. It was a little bit tricky to trade. So at the open, again, JPM was gapping up about 6-7%. So as you see, the pre-market open was really going up. The high of pre-market at 137.48, which was actually the high of this kind of area as well. So there was some very important, significant level back in February as well. So there was some level here. So what happened here was I saw that opened very, very strong. In the last few minutes was a little bit weak. Squeezed the bob. I went long for a potential breakout of this 137.40, but it did drop. I kind of added a little bit more here, and then as soon as I saw that it's really losing the VWAP, I got to stop out. As soon as I got to stop out, it came back up. What the hell? But that's okay. In that case, I saw that very squeeze came back up. I went long again, added more, and this time really squeezed up. I added more again on this pullback. It was a very, very strong price action with the big asks. So I'm coming here. I just sold all the way up to, I think, 138, and even more than that as well. I think I kept a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, so 130. Yeah, I sold some at 139, and I added more actually on this pullback at 137.48. Really for the breakup 139, it did break out of the 139. It did actually become a 920 trade as well. So essentially the 920 trade, we discussed that, and pull back in the 20 moving average long, and you essentially get this very beautiful breakout as well here. So the 920 trade is when you look at the very strongest stock, you buy on a 2-minute chart on the 20 moving average, partial at the 9 and partial at the high of the day. That's exactly what I did here. So that was a very, very nice trading day. Eventually became also, I think, a 5-minute opening range breakup as well. Yeah, so essentially one ticker, it traded like many. So this is a 5-minute opening range breakup, and then this is a 920. Plus, you also have the ABCD pattern as well. So essentially, one ticker gives you multiple different strategies. So this is an ABCD pattern, this is an ABCD pattern as well in the longer time frame. So that was a very, very nice solid day. So very profitable. So we're sitting here on the profit, JP Morgan and Tesla. This was a mistake. And then we also called the Apple for a long at the open. So we got this move on Apple. A lot of people took it with their calls, and Apple would have been a very, very nice trade with that Apple as well. So yeah, and that's it. So I'm still a little bit of a short SPY at 470. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll get the huge market volatility. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Looking forward to see that. The market had a really nice bounce back at the very, very nice bounce back at the close. So it went up, it went down red, and then sold off, and now it's actually coming back up, getting kind of green. Have a good day, guys.